Yeah, I'm on to their tricks about come in and try the wine. So, for 15 euros, you can get, wine and, Boda bag there. Kind of a nice looking place though, Busan. Stick your head in there and get a picture. Very pretty. Very nice. But I just had a smoothie at the Buen Camino Cafe up the hill, and that will do me. No wine for me. It's just gorgeous. Walking through all the wine country between Navarrete and Najera. Beautiful. Except every now and then a tractor will come down because they're harvesting the crop, and he just kicks up dirt everywhere. So you can see we have no clouds in the sky. Hot. It's hotter than normal for this time of year in Spain. Okay. Let me just... Oops. Oh, no. These grapes have seeds in them. Well, seeds. It's okay. I've had better that I've stolen off the path a little while ago. I wonder what that is.